Hello and welcome back. The last video, here is where we got up to. We were able to send the email to the users. We were able to send a token to the user's email. So when we click on this email link, we are back to the home page with this token. And this token has also been sent to the database. So we can use this token to verify the email of the person. Okay, so we are going to continue from here. Let's go to the codes. So here is the index page. Now we are going to work on the controller. Okay, the same controller page we are going to work on. So let's continue. We will put if is set $, get of what of token. This token, if it's set, you're using get, so it means it is present here. So if it is set, then let's do something. It means somebody has clicked the link. Okay, so if it's set the $, get of token, we are going to grab the token. So we say token is equal to $, get of token. So now we have grabbed the token. So let's continue. Let's use the SQL is equal to select star from users where token is equal to this token, $, token. You can say limit 1. So we are going to query the database by selecting it. Okay, selecting all the fields in the table. So after that, we put our resource variable. We are not going to use the paste statement. We have used it in the previous videos. So resource is going to be my SQLi underscore query, and this is going to take 2 parameters. The first one is going to be the con variable, the second one is going to be the SQL So let's put the whole thing in a resource variable. So resource is going to be my SQLi underscore or we can even put it in a if statement. So let's say if my SQLi underscore num underscore row of resource, if it is greater than 0, it means somebody has clicked the link. So the token is the database. That's the meaning. So if it happens like that, then let's put all the results that we get in an associative variable called user. So user is going to be my SQLi underscore fetch SQLi underscore fetch underscore assoc first fetch assoc mysqli underscore fetch underscore assoc. So it means we have put all the results we have got into associative variable so that we can deal with them individually. Okay, let's move on. We are going to update the database. So update, let's say update. Okay, any variable you want to use. Update is going to be update users set verify is equal to 1, where token is equal to the token that we grab. So if my SQLi underscore query, the same query will come here again, of con variable and then variable updates, which means we've been able to update the database. If it happens like that, then we will create the sections. So let me copy. I think we created the sections here. So let me copy this ones because of time, so that you will do the thing fast. So I come here and paste it here. So we can put user here. Now we are not doing insert, we are doing select. So we can say let's say user of ID. Okay, then the next session that we are going to have is the username. The username, let me delete the ID. The username, let's make it username. So user of username. Then the email, the same thing. Let me copy this one. The email. Then the verified, we put it as 1. We are hard coding it here because we are very sure that it has been updated. So we put it there. We will not select it again so that the code will be long. We just put it 1 there. Then the message will come. So the message will be, your email has been verified successfully. So let's say you put the message here. Your email has been able to verify. Okay. So alert class is going to be alert success. Then we will redirect the person to the home page. So before the person will get to the home page, it means we have done all the things that we're supposed to do. Then he will see that message. So we see that location, header, location. location is going to be index.php. Then we exit. So we say that else, if it doesn't work, so we say else echo user not found. So that is that. So let's try and see if this will work. So let's go to, I think we can even refresh here and see. It is not working here. Okay, so let's come back. The reason why we were not able to refresh it was some few errors that we did in the codes. So let's go there. So when I refresh, it is still showing the first alert. So let's go to the codes and see what we did wrong. The token is supposed to be token, the token, and also we're supposed to use con here 2n, and then this one too. I think on like 14 to we was supposed to use 2 ends. Okay, so all the rest of the codes are okay. With this two, the three had problem, so we have solved that one. Okay, so let's go back and refresh and see if it will work. So when I refresh now, then you see your email has been verified. Let's go to the database and see if you have one there. Currently we have, so let's refresh. Currently we have 0, but if you check now it will turn to 1. You can see from here it's 1. Okay, so that is the end of the tutorial. In the next video we are going to work on how to recover your password. That one too is very, very important. How to recover the password, so that when the user has forgot a password, we will send him a token and he will use the token the same way to recover the password or to reset the password. Thanks for watching.